In front of me is OPPO Reno11 F, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then click on this icon of a plus at the bottom left corner and click on Files to add an audio one. Now you can click on Audio at the top to make it easier for you to look. Select one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sources to find your file. When you're ready, you need to hold the chosen one and choose Select at the top right corner to attach it. If you prefer, you can always click on Gallery and add a video instead. Just click on it here, or if you can find it, select Folders and look for it here. Then tap on it to attach it as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!